Part 1. Good morning. My name is Emily Carter. What's your full name, please?
Good morning. My name is Adam Reynolds.
Can I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Now, I'd like to ask you a few questions about beaches. Do you like going to beaches?
Yes, I love going to beaches. The sound of waves, the open sky, and the fresh air make me feel relaxed and refreshed.
How often do you visit beaches?
Not very often because there isn't a beach near my city, but whenever I travel, I try to include a beach in my trip.
What do people usually do at the beach?
People swim, sunbathe, play games, or just walk along the shore. Some people enjoy taking photos or having picnics with friends.
Do you prefer quiet beaches or crowded ones?
I prefer quiet beaches because they feel more peaceful. Crowded beaches are fun but can be a bit noisy and busy for my taste.
Why do you think beaches are popular tourist spots?
Because beaches offer relaxation, natural beauty, and a break from normal life. Also, they're suitable for all ages, which makes them popular for families.
Part 2. Thank you. Now I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then you should speak for about 2 minutes. Your topic is describe a beach you have visited. You should say where it is, when you went there, what you did there, and explain why you like this beach. 1 minute preparation pause. All right, Adam. Please begin when you're ready.
A beach I visited and really enjoyed was Cox's Bazar, which is located in the southeastern part of Bangladesh. I went there last winter with two of my university friends, and it was one of the most beautiful and peaceful experiences I've had in a long time. Cox's Bazar is famous for having one of the longest natural sea beaches in the world. The coastline seems to stretch endlessly, and the moment we arrived, I was amazed by how wide and open the beach looked. The golden sand, the gentle waves, and the soft wind created a perfect atmosphere. During our visit, we spent most of the time walking along the shore. Early in the morning, we watched the sunrise, which was breathtaking. The sky turned shades of orange and pink, and the reflection on the water looked magical. Later in the day, we tried swimming and played beach volleyball with some tourists. The water was warm and the waves were calm, which made swimming enjoyable. We also visited a nearby hill area called Imchori, where we got a beautiful view of the sea from above. The combination of hills and ocean made the place even more special. In the evening, we sat on the sand, ate fresh seafood from local stalls, and watched the sun slowly disappear into the horizon. The sound of the waves and the cool breeze made the moment unforgettable. What I liked most about this beach was its peaceful atmosphere. Even though many people visit Cox's Bazar, It never felt too crowded. The locals were friendly, the beach was clean, and the natural beauty was simply breathtaking. Visiting that beach made me appreciate nature even more. It helped me relax, forget my worries, and enjoy the simple things like watching waves, feeling the sand, and listening to the sounds of nature. I would love to visit Cox's Bazaar again and maybe explore more nearby islands next time.
Thank you, Adam. Part 3, let's talk more about beaches and coastal areas. Why do people enjoy spending time on beaches?
Because beaches help people relax, enjoy warm weather, and connect with nature. The open space and calming sound of waves make them ideal for unwinding.
Are beaches important for tourism?
Yes, very important. Beaches attract tourists from around the world, which boosts local businesses, hotels, and the overall economy.
Do you think beaches should have more facilities for visitors?
Yes, basic facilities like clean washrooms, seating areas, and safety equipment are necessary, but too many structures can spoil the natural beauty.
How can we protect beaches from pollution?
By reducing plastic use, placing more rubbish bins, running awareness campaigns, and encouraging tourists to follow eco friendly rules.
What will beaches look like in the future?
I think some will be more developed, but others might be threatened by climate change and rising sea levels. Protecting them should be a priority.
Thank you, Adam. That's the end of your speaking test.
Thank you very much.